Fans want to catch every NFL game without missing a beat? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV so you can watch all your favorite teams live anytime, anywhere. First, there are two ways to get NFL Sunday Ticket as an add-on to a YouTube TV base plan, which gives you all local, national, and out-of-market games plus other channels, or as a standalone primetime channel if you only want the out-of-market Sunday afternoon games. If you're new to YouTube TV, start by visiting the website or app, enter your zip code, choose a base plan, and you'll see the option to add NFL Sunday Ticket. Pick your payment plan, full or monthly, and optionally bundle with NFL Red Zone, then complete checkout. Already a YouTube TV subscriber, just open the app. Go to Settings under your profile, choose your NFL Sunday Ticket package, tap Add, and Purchase. That's it. With NFL Sunday Ticket, you'll get preseason games, all out-of-market Sunday games, local and national broadcasts, and postseason matchups, plus features like multi-view, unlimited DVR, and sharing with up to 5 family members make it even better. So, whether you're a die-hard fan or just love Sunday football, YouTube TV makes it easy to stay in the game. Hit that subscribe button for more streaming tips